Hello, kids. Welcome back to the Little Wondering Minds. Today, we have a special challenge for you. Guess the word by emojis. I will show you two or three emojis, and you have to guess the new word that they create. Are you ready? Let's go. First word, ice cream. Can you figure out the word? Fireman. Keep it up. What's the word? Football. That's correct. What's the next word? Handbag. Great thinking. You're bagging all the right answers. What's the word? Cupcake. Delicious answer. Next. Goldfish. Swimming to the right answer. What's this one? Keyboard. Click, click. You got it right. Can you figure this one out? Dragonfly. What's the answer? Drumstick. Next. Sunflower. Blooming with the right answer. What do you think about this one? Pineapple. Right one. What does it become? Jellyfish. What's next? Thunderstorm. Thundering with all the right answers. Next one. Doorbell. Ding dong. You got it right. Can you guess this one? Catfish. Cool. You're doing great. Think fast. Seahorse. What's the word? Eyebrow. Good job. You're doing well. Guess this one. Dragon fruit. Exotic win. Here we go, next one. Rockstar. You totally rocked it. What do we get with this one? Spaceship. Out of the world. What does it become? Lionfish. Well done. The next one. Elephant. Trumpeting with all the right answers. Think fast. Donkey. The next one. Water slide. Woohoo! The right answer. What does it become? A basketball. Great job!